Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update that is Ellucian is hiring for the freshers and it's an off-campus drive and they are hiring for freshers. So we shall see the job role. So the job role for this is associate software developer and we shall quickly see what is the job description for the same. So the job description is that the first thing is company name, it's an Ellucian, and then followed by job role, it's an associate software developer, and the job location, it is Bangalore, and the degree for this is BE, BTech or MCA irrespective of any branch, so any branch can apply for this, and the qualification, it is BE, BTech as well as MCA, and there is no percentage cutoff, so everyone is eligible to apply for this, and experience for this is 0 to 6 months. So they are hiring for freshers, and so to apply for this job role, and we shall see what are the skills that is needed for this. So even the skills is, the first thing is there is a 0 to 6 months of experience is required in software development, so which means the freshers, they are hiring for freshers. And next thing is that excellent problem solving skills, and next thing is experience in tools like Git, so they are looking for the experience in tools like Git. And next thing is that experience with React.js. So even though if you do not know anything about this, but just apply for this and take the test. So next thing is that knowledge of MySQL, or it can be SQL, PostgreSQL, as well as ability to write SQL queries is a plus. So in this they have mentioned the plus point is SQL queries. So if you are having an ability to write SQL queries, then go and apply for this immediately. So even if you don't have any, like if you don't have idea of writing SQL queries, no need to worry, you can prepare for the same and then take the test. So don't leave this opportunity, just go and apply for this. And next thing is that he should be a good team player. So these are only the skills that is required for them. First thing is that 0 to 6 months experience in software development, that is they are hiring for freshers, and if you have knowledge of any one of these, then go and apply. So obviously you'll be having a knowledge of SQL, so you should know to write SQL queries. And next thing is that some experience with any programming knowledge, or it is good to have experience in React.js as well as the tools like Git. So and next thing is that the problem solving skills, and he should be a good team player. So the application link will be provided in the description, so just go and apply for this job before the link expires. Okay, thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.